Hey everybody, how's it going? If you're thinking about trying out either Looka or BrandCrowd for your logo design needs, you are definitely going to want to watch this video first. Now, I've been testing out these logo makers for a couple of months now, and in this video, I'm going to tell you absolutely everything that I think you need to know about Looka and BrandCrowd before you sign up. This includes their features, my personal experience after using the platforms, and all of the pros and cons that come with it. And to be completely transparent, neither Looka nor BrandCrowd are perfect logo makers. However, both have many positive features that might make them the right choice for you and for your needs. Now, if at any point whilst watching this video you decide that you want to try either Looka or BrandCrowd, then you'll save a bit of money if you click the discount links in the description below this video before you create your account. Definitely take advantage of these links if you want to save some money. All right, now let's not waste any more time. Here's everything that you need to know about Looka and BrandCrowd. Now, first off, both of these products are logo makers that were designed to provide easy, quick, and affordable logo creation solutions for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and pretty much anyone in need of a logo without the need for design skills. Looka leverages artificial intelligence to generate logo designs based on your preferences, such as colors, styles, and icons. Once you input your company name and select your industry, Looka then presents you with a selection of styles to like or dislike, refining its suggestions with every choice that you make. The AI's capability to learn from your preferences and offer tailored options is something truly unique to Looka. It feels almost like having a conversation with a designer who's learning more and more about what you like and what you don't like as you go along, except you're speaking with AI. Additionally, Looka offers branding tools beyond just logo creation, including business card designs, social media assets, and even a website builder. And this makes it a really comprehensive solution for your branding needs. Now, on the other hand, BrandCrowd boasts a vast library of over 50,000 ready-made logo designs that cover virtually every industry that you can think of. And what's unique about BrandCrowd is its emphasis on customization of pre-designed logos. You can search for a logo based on keywords, then tweak and tune the design until it fits your brand perfectly. This approach combines the best of both worlds, the professional design of a custom logo and the speed and affordability of a DIY solution. BrandCrowd also excels in offering a broad spectrum of branding materials like social media, banners, email signatures, and business cards. And these are designed to maintain a cohesive brand identity across all of your channels, something that's not that easy to do. Now, my personal experience with these tools has been overwhelmingly positive. I use Looka to generate a fresh logo for a new venture, and you can see that logo at epic.video. The AI suggestions were spot on, providing me with a variety of options that match my vision. The inspiration feature was particularly helpful, guiding my design process pretty effectively. BrandCrowd was my go-to for another project where I was working for something quick yet professional. The ability to sift through numerous high-quality templates and actually tweak my chosen design allowed me to craft a logo that felt both unique and that aligned with my brand's aesthetics. However, both platforms have their limitations, I should say. Now, with Looka, I found the customization options to be somewhat restricted. The absence of a drag and drop functionality also made it really challenging to adjust the placement and size of the on-screen elements freely. And I should say that this limitation extended to the use of symbols. I couldn't incorporate multi-symbols or upload my own images, which made the tool feel a lot less flexible when compared with others. Now, BrandCrowd, while offering extensive customization and a user-friendly experience, presented a different issue. The base packages do not include exclusivity for your chosen design. And if you want to ensure that your logo is removed from the website and not sold on to anyone else, you have to purchase an exclusive license. This additional cost can be surprising and might not be evident up front, which poses a challenge for those on a tight budget or even for some SMEs that just don't want to pay that. And it's easy to assume that exclusivity is part of that initial package when it isn't. So in conclusion, choosing between Looka and BrandCrowd, ultimately it comes down to your specific needs and your personal preferences. If you're looking for a highly personalized logo created through an intuitive AI-driven process, and if you value a suite of branding tools to establish your online presence, then Looka is, I would say, definitely the way to go. However, if you prefer starting with a professional template and you want extensive customization options to tweak your logo to perfection, along with the option to create a full set of consistent branding materials, then BrandCrowd may well be your best bet in this case. Now, both platforms have their pros and both have their cons, but they also both offer really unique strengths that can cater to different aspects of the logo design process. Remember, your logo is often the first impression that your brand makes. So take your time, experiment with both of these tools, both of these platforms if you can, and choose the one that aligns best with your vision and with your overall business goals. And don't forget to check out the discount links in the description below this video if you want to take advantage of some savings on whichever option you choose. And please do me a favor, if you've made it this far, please drop a like on this video. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to just comment below and I'll do my best to answer every single one of them. Thanks for watching, good luck with your design and take care.